Kapuso, ngayong umaga ay espesyal ang ating makakasama dahil layunin niya ang pangalagaan ang kalikasan. Mula sa Alabel, Sarangani Province, let us all welcome our Miss Philippines Earth Sarangani Province, Merhyl Kit Paraluman. Hello Merhyl and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Yes, hello. Thank you for inviting me.
Una sa lahat, Merhyl, kumusta ang iyong paghahanda para sa nalalapit na Coronation Night ng Miss Philippines Earth 2022?
So far, so good. You know, I've been preparing for a lot of things, especially because it's a national pageant. Mostly our physical preparations. I really have to take care of myself from the beauty aspect. Kailangan ko i-maintain yung pagka-fit ng body, yung face, kailangan medyo hindi ko pwede pabayaan kasi we have this segment na beauty of the face where there is only light makeup. So, hindi ko talaga pwede pabayaan yung skin ko. Pasarela trainings are very important to improve how I carry myself.
Merhyl, ang advokasiyang isinusulong mo ay ang marine life preservation ng Sarangani Bay. Bakit ito ang napili mong advocacy?
Okay, so first and foremost, fishing, ang advocacy ko is sustainable fishing and the protection of our marine wildlife. I really chose this advocacy because Sarangani Bay is surrounded by bodies of water. And for me, I grew up being very exposed to the fishing industry since it's one of the form of livelihood of my grandparents. That's why I really wanted people to see the importance of sustainable fishing.
Alam naman natin na ang Sarangani Bay ay mayaman sa biodiversity at dahil na rin dyan ay naiproklama itong protected seascape. Pero sa ngayon, dumarami ang microplastic particles. Sa palagay mo, Merhyl, paano natin mabibigyan ng solusyon to?
Regarding the mollusks, I believe they both have positive and negative effects towards our ocean because everything in our ocean, as long as it is naturally there, they have this symbiotic relationship sa ocean and ang ating marine wildlife. Some species, some mollusks might be harmful to humans because they have toxic effects, and their invasion could lead to the imbalance of our ecosystems. But I also have researched that they keep our ocean healthy. So as long as they are on the healthy level, just like our crown of thorns. Our crown of thorns are actually destroying our corals if the population is already uncontrolled. So I believe that kahit anong species na ilagay natin sa ating ocean, if wala na siyang predator, if ang population niya ay hindi nakokontrol, talagang ikakasira ito ng ating Sarangani.
Merhyl, bilang isang tagapangalaga ng marine biodiversity ng Sarangani Bay, sa tingin mo, anong magagawa mo upang mahikayat ang lahat na makiisa sa iyong advokasya?
Sustainable fishing and the protection of our marine wildlife, I think the best thing for us to do in order to participate in this kind of activity is for us to resort to cultured fish products. In this way, we can ensure that there is, during the fishing, lalo na if kasi hindi natin alam ano ang ways ng pag-catch ng fish na kinakain natin. So, in Sarangani, we actually encourage people to resort to cultured fish for us to be able to continue sustainable fishing.
Merhyl, ano-anong mga programa pa ba ang mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon upang mapanatili ang coastal marine preservation ng Sarangani Bay?
Right now, I am in coordination with the DENR. Almost all of my activities are spearheaded by the DENR because in Miss Philippines Earth, we are showcasing what are we actually doing in the protection of our Sarangani Bay. So you can actually check our daily eco activities in Miss Philippines Earth to see some videos of what I have already done. I actually had the coastal cleanup drive in Kawas. As I've said earlier, we have the coastal cleanup drives. We also had mangrove plantings and the Crown of Thorns collection. I've been in almost since my journey in Miss Philippines Earth, I've been actively participating in the environmental activities that is spearheaded by Sarangani.
Merhyl, please invite ang ating mga kapuso viewers na suportahan ka sa nalalapit mong pageant.
Well, I would really like to thank, I would never get tired of thanking the LGU of Alabel for their all-out support sa aking journey here at Miss Philippines Earth, the PLGU of Sarangani for their support. They have been very supportive in my shoots. I've been using the Capitol as my venue for my shoot. So thank you so much to the PLGU of Sarangani, to my team, my glam team, my media team, my tourism staffs, our tourism head. So thank you so much.
Alright, maraming salamat, Merhyl, sa time na ibinigay mo sa amin. Naway makapagbigay ka ng inspirasyon sa lahat ng mga sarangas na ipatuloy ang iyong adhikaing pangalagaan ang Sarangani Bay.
Thank you so much.